cooking show. This is the show where you tune in and we order out. No, just kidding. Hey, no laughing back there, eh? Today we're making stuffed peppers.
I need a break.
I can't give a straight face if you can't. I'm too much now.
I need a break. Hold on.
Welcome to my chopping show. Chopping. No chop, no chopping. Chop, chop. This is where you tune in and we order out. I'm just kidding. We're going to make stuffed peppers today. This is my real voice. No, just kidding. Maybe. Okay, first we got our peppers. Then we got our tomato sauce. We got diced tomatoes. And we got mushrooms. We got my jabalaba. Get to it up, jabalaba. I'm going to core these. Then I'm going to bake them 20 minutes. Then, I'm going to go over here and cook the beef. Then we're going to add the mushrooms. Then we're going to dance. Just kidding. Maybe. I hope you enjoy this video, media, whatever you call it. We're going to have some fun today. Okay, so let's get started. First we dance. Okay, let's get started. I know that's not funny.
Where's your wine?
My wife? This is my wine. Also my wife. Okay.
Hey.
That's my wife on the telephone. No, I mean on the video. I don't know the difference. What's so funny? I didn't even start yet. Okay, onward. We got the pepper. We got the fish. No, just kidding. Okay. We got all the peppers. I wish I had a sharp knife. I don't have a sharp knife. I got a sharp tongue though. You beware. Okay. You may be saying, hey, you know what you're doing? I hope so. Answer your own question. Okay. So now we core these. I got nothing funny to say about pouring these. Okay, we wash them out. That's one. Let's take the tags off. Remember to take the tags off. Okay. Don't forget to comment. Blast me, go ahead, I don't care. I'm mature. But you know what that means? That means I don't give a damn anymore. Don't care what people say. I care what you say though. What? Am I lying? I'm lying? Strike me. No, just kidding. Okay, so we put this in the oven. We flip the bird in the Durban for 20 minutes. And I'll see you back here in 20 minutes.
Alright.
Welcome back to the show. We're browning our beef. We're adding our onions. Onions. And the good is onions. Make me cry. Make me cry. Okay, you mix that in there. Just like that there. Then we put in our tomatoes. Good tomatoes. We got custom diced tomatoes over here. Yeah, give it a stir. Yes. Mushrooms. You put in the mushrooms over here. Mushrooms. They shrink, so don't be afraid to add the whole thing. Okay. Now we let that cook a little bit. Yeah, ooh, that looks good. That looks good. I know what I'm doing. Okay. There we go. Get up a little bit. And don't forget to add your taco seasoning. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's good stuff right there. Oh yes. Ooh. Yes. Stir that up nice. Oh yeah. There we go. Bring that to a boil, and then we simmer 10 minutes.
Looks good.
Come back. So, while we were gone, I added tomato paste to my meat. Now I'm Italian. I don't know how that happened. So now, we're going to add some Parmesan cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese. Don't worry, I wash my hands. Here we go. And some sharp cheddar. And that'll do you. Okay. So now we take out peppers. Delicious. I'm shy. Hello, welcome back. We took our peppers out, and here we have our meat. Okay, anyway, so we put cheese. Oh, I already mentioned that. Okay, you give it a stir. Not too much. There you go. And you start scooping into the peppers. Oh, that looks good. That's okay. Oh, I'm gonna eat it all. Okay. Next one. Oh, that's good mushrooms right there. All right. Continue to fill them. If you know the difference between these peppers, please comment, because I have no idea. I just like the color. I think. Okay, final pepper. Stuff it really good. Here we go. Oh, that looks good. Oh, we could put more in that one. The more the better. Oh, this one too. They're settling down. So as they settle, you can put more. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, then we go back to our cheese. This one's crooked. Oh, that's not good. It's gonna fall over. Okay. Okay. We take our cheese. Put some on top. I hope you like cheese. Not toe cheese. This cheese. Okay. Oh, gonna use all the cheese. Okay. So that's your sharp cheddar. Now you put some Parmesan, grated Parmesan, right on the top. This is gonna blend together and seal the top. Keep all that flavor inside. There you go. There we go. I learned this in the Navy. Okay. Anyway. There we go. Okay, that looks good. And now we stick it back in the oven for 20 more minutes. 20. 20. 20. Hello, welcome back to the kitchen. A la crazy. Okay. Our peppers are done. So I will take them out now. Oh, that smells good. Check that out. Ooh, that looks good. Hon, you're not getting any. It's all mine.
It's all right.
Oh, sure. She says on camera. Okay. So anyway, now we shall plate them. I like this one, so I'm going to take this one. I don't need that. Are you close enough?
Yeah. That looks good.
Okay, next one. The other pretty one. Okay. Oh, that looks very good. And that's 3. So, this over here. There you have it.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Is it New Year already? Hello. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Okay. So, this is the final product. Now we're going to chow down. This is baked at 350 degrees. So, we're going to have some wine and some stuffed peppers. Thank you very much. Comment, subscribe. I don't know what we're subscribing to, because there's only one video. Anyway, next time you see me, I might be an alien. Bye-bye.